Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the display language on YouTube in just a few simple steps. Click your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account menu. A drop-down menu appears with your account settings, channel options, and various YouTube preferences. Click Display Language, English to open the language selection menu. This opens a scrollable list showing all the languages YouTube supports, organized alphabetically with each language name shown in its own script. Scroll through the available languages and select the one you want to use. For this example, I'm choosing English, UK. As soon as you click your choice, the menu closes and YouTube begins applying the new language setting to the entire interface. The page reloads automatically, and YouTube now displays in your selected language. You'll see all menus, buttons, and navigation labels updated to reflect your selection. Keep in mind, this changes the interface language across all of YouTube, including YouTube Studio if you're a creator, so any analytics or upload screens will also switch to your chosen language. If you want to change it back or try a different language, just follow the same steps and select a new option from the language menu. The change happens instantly and applies across all devices where you're signed into that Google account, so you only need to do this once, and your preference syncs everywhere. And that's how to change your display language on YouTube. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.